Welcome to 35 Phillip Street in Vermont. My name is Ripple, my colleague Susan. We're from McGrath, Box 2.
We are pleased to present to you a brand new home with a sophisticated design comprising 5 bedrooms plus study.
We are super excited. Let's come have a look. Generous open-plan living with indoor-outdoor entertainment area, suitable for multiple generations to live and enjoy.
The location is second to none, zoned for Vermont Primary as well as Vermont Secondary College and moments away from Belvedere Reserve.
There's so many highlights of this home. We're looking forward to assist you in any language, Chinese, English, or Vietnamese.
We look forward to meeting you at the next open for inspection.
期待相见。